हेलो फ्रेंड्स, केजी क्लासेस में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम आपको अलेक्जेंडर पॉप की क्रोनोलॉजी, लाइफ एंड वर्क्स के बारे में अध्ययन कराएंगे। दोस्तों, दंतकांति मंजन का उपयोग आप 2-3-4 बार कर सकते हैं दिन में, यदि आपको कुछ अजीब महसूस होता है। और अगर एनर्जी का आपको एनर्जी की कमी है तो आप ग्लूकोन-डी और ऑरेंज वाला ग्लूकोज ले सकते हैं बार बार, ताकि भरपूर एनर्जी में रहें और काम करने में अच्छा मन लगे। आज हम पोप के बारे में देखते हैं। 1688 21 में बर्थ ऑफ अलेक्जेंडर पॉप in the city of London. 1700 the popes moved to Binfield, Berkshire. 1709 publication of pastorals written at the age of 16 in Jacob Townson's Miscellany, which contain the pastorals of Ambrose Phillips also. 1711 publication of an essay on criticism which won him rapid reputation and also the attention of Addison's circle. 1712 first, The Rape of the Lock in 2 cantos was published in Bernard Lintos's Miscellany. Second, Messiah published in the Spectator. 1713 first, Windsor Forest. Second, Ode on St. Cecilia's Day. Third, Prologue to Addison's Cato. Fourth, Essays in the Guardian. Fifth, opened subscription list for his proposed homework. Sixth, took part in the activities of the Scribers Club and also during the next year. 1714 publication of the enlarged edition of Rape of the Lock in 5 cantos. 1715 first issue of the first volume of Pope's translation of Homer's Iliad in heroic couplet. Second, the Temple of Fame was also published. 1716 the Iliad volume 2nd. Second, the Popes moved to Sikvik. 1717 first, the Iliad volume 3rd. Second, works including verse to the memory of an unfortunate lady and Elosia to Abelard. Third, assisted John Gay in writing the comedy 3 hours after marriage. 1718 the Iliad volume 4th. 1720 the Iliad volume 5th and 6th. 1721 first epistle to Addison. Second, epistle to Robert Earl of Oxford. 1722 portrait of Atticus, a satire on Addison, printed without Pope's permission. 1723 edited the works of John Sheffield, Duke of Buckingham. 1725 Pope's edition of the works of Shakespeare in 6 volumes. Second, the Odyssey volume 1st to 3rd. 1726 the Odyssey volume 4th and 5th. 1727 Miscellanies volume 1st and 2nd in collaboration with Swift. 1728 Miscellanies volume 3rd. Second, the Dunciad, 3 books dealing with Theobald as hero. It is a satire on dullness and it appeared anonymously. 1729 enlarged edition of the Dunciad. 1731 to 35 moral essays. 1733 to 34 an essay on men. 1733 to 38 satires and epistle of Horace imitated. 1735 first, an epistle to Dr. Arthur Knott. Second volume of Pope's verse subsequent to 1717. Third, his literary correspondence. 1737 authorized edition of his letters. 1738 first 1738 satirical dialogues. Second, the Universal Prayer. 1741 Pope's work in prose. 1742 the New Dunciad. 1743 the Dunciad in 4 books. 1744 death due to dropsy and asthma, burial in the Twickenham Church. 1751 the first collective edition of Pope's work. 1871 to 89 the standard edition of Pope's work added by Alvin and Cortot. आप लोग गुटखा, बीड़ी, तम्बाकू, ये धूम्रपान जो भी हैं ये बंद कर दीजिए और हरी सब्जियों और फलों का उपयोग करिए और अच्छा भविष्य बनाइए। धन्यवाद।